Present with me for this function, our tourism minister, Mr. Rohan Khauti, and the MLA Taji and Sankalp, the Vice Admiral D.K. Tripathi, the Flag Office Commander in Charge Chief, Western Naval Commander Rear Admiral C.R. Praveen Nair, Flag Officer Commanding Western Fleet Rear Admiral Ajay D. Theophilus, Flag Officer Goa Area, the members of the from Goa Administration, Flag Officers, Commanding Officers, INS Mormugao and her crew, the distinguished guests, the members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. I am indeed honored to be present here this evening to unveil the 30-feet model of INS Mormugao. This is a proud moment for our state of Goa, and I am sure this event will be the springboard, the nautical ties of the Goa shares with the Indian Navy, and more so on with the INS Mormugao in particular. I have been made aware that the indigenous content of this warship is about 75%, which is a significant jump from our predecessor class of destroyers. INS Mormugao is a true encapsulation of the spirit of the Make in India and our endeavor to become the Atmanirbhar Bharat. The ship association with the state of Goa is a symbol of Goa's growing maritime contributions and India's technological process. I am sure the ship will be the true flag barrier of Goa all over the world as it sails across the ocean. 18 December is a symbolic day for the number of reasons, and the event could not have been held on the better day. First, this day marks as the 61 years of the start of the Operation Vijay, which liberated Goa, and the day is also happened to be the first anniversary of INS Mormugao. Secondly, today is also the eve of Goa Liberation Day, which the state government is celebrating with a great pride and passion on 19 December each year. I am also very happy to note that despite warship undertook the maiden trial and solitaire before the commissioning on the 19 December 2021, coinciding with the Diamond Jubilee of the Goa Liberation Day. So, clearly the association with the Goa was in the Navy's planner mind even before the warship became the part of the Navy. We all know that in 1961, the Indian Navy played the crucial role in the liberation of Goa. The Goa operation was the first time that Indian Navy had engaged the belligerent sea and the post-independence as a part of the coordinating tri-service operation. INS Mormugao imbibes her name from the historic port city of Goa. Goa has always had a rich history and nautical heritage. It is referred to an ancient Hindu mythology and has been ruled by many dynasties such as Bhojas, Konkan Mauryas, Govan Shilahar, Kadambas and Vijayanagars. The empire rose and fell Goa, but it is a long history, the port city of Goa. And later the port Mormugao withstood the test of time. I am sure INS Mormugao shows too the same and serve the nation pride and plans for the years to come. As we celebrate the dedication of this majestic ship to the state of Goa, it is important for me to reiterate the Indian collaborative vision for the ocean enumerated by our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modiji's Sagar Security and the growth for all the region encapsulated India's approach that is aimed at generating the trust and transparency, respect for the international maritime rule and norms, sensitive to each other's interest, peaceful resolutions of the maritime issue, and increase in maritime cooperation. In order to protect and preserve India's maritime interest, the strong modern navy is critical. I am sure INS Mormugao will stand right in the van of this endeavor of our navy. Today, India is one of the path maritime reassurance and reclaiming our rich seafaring the tradition of the dates back many centuries. The the maritime vision of many great leaders such as Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Kanoji Angre. It is continued to inspire the seafaring the spirit of our nation. Noted historian Sri Jadunath Sarkar and had once said, nothing proves Chhatrapati Shivaji's genuineness and the boom statements more clearly than his creation of the Navy and naval base. To pay a tribute to our great Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the Indian Navy recently celebrated Navy Day at the Fortis Sindhudurga. The unveiling of the INS Mormugao replica today is not only another step towards strengthening the bond of Navy shares with Goa, but also the tribute to the sacrifice of our brave soldier during the 1961 liberation of Goa. This warship will not only add might to the Indian Navy, but also represent the Goa at a world stage by being its flag bearer to the world. I am proud to be the part of this occasion. I would like to congratulate all the concerned who worked tirelessly to make this project success. I congratulate the commanding officers and crew of the Mormugao who have ensured that they got this ship home for her medal anniversary. I am sure that you will continue to preserve this transforming Mormugao into the potent instrument of the national maritime policy. May Lord Ramnath Damodar, the presiding deity of this locality, bless the ship and crew with skill, bravery and fortitude to remain the combat ready and even alert in the services of the nation. आज के इस अवसर पर मुझे भाग्यशाली मानता हूँ कि मैं पहला सीएम हूँ जो 1961 के बाद जिसका जन्म हुआ और आज ये मुझे अवसर पहली बार यानी 18th of December के दिन जिस दिन मुझे लगता है कि जिस दिन एक्चुअली विजय ऑपरेशन स्टार्ट हुआ था और उसी दिन यानी जो मारमागवा सिटी से मेन ऑपरेशन हो चुका था, इसी अवसर पर आज मुझे यहाँ आने का जो नेवी ने मुझे मौका दिया और खास करके वीर नारी और आप सभी वेटरन लीडर्स ऑफ द नेवी इन लोगों को मिलने का जो मौका दिया, इसलिए मैं गोवा की सरकार की तरफ से, गोवा के लोगों की तरफ से हमेशा के लिए आप सभी का मैं आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ और आभारी रहूंगा, ये भी कहता हूँ। निश्चित रूप से आप लोगों ने जो गोवा से जुड़ाव, गोवा से जो नाता है वो INS मोरमुगाओ हमारे वास्को सिटी में देके और भी ज़्यादा क्लोज कर दिया है। मैं आज इस अवसर पर एक ही बात कहूँगा, मुझे आते आते हमारे MLA ताजी सा कृष्णा सालकर बोल रहे थे, there is some problem for the road, entry and everything. मैं being the chief minister of the state, जो भी कुछ आपके लिए स्टेट की तरफ से करता हूँ, तो मेरा पहला कर्तव्य रहेगा आपके लिए करने का। That is my promise for the Navy and definitely सरकार की तरफ से जो भी हो सके आपके लिए तो हमेशा के लिए मैं करने के तत्पर हूँ। माननीय मोदी जी का सपना इस आज़ादी के अमृत काल में जो विकसित भारत 2047 का सपना हम सब देख रहे हैं, माननीय मोदी जी दिखा रहे हैं, वो सपना यानी आत्मनिर्भर भारत, मेक इन इंडिया, मेक फॉर द वर्ल्ड, वोकल फॉर लोकल एंड वोकल फॉर द ग्लोबल, ये सपना साकार करने में सबसे आगे कोई है तो मुझे लगता है इट इज द नेवी। अगेन कांग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू। मैं फिर एक बार आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ और सही में विकसित भारत में सबसे आगे और सबसे ज्यादा रोल किसी का रहेगा तो नेवी का रहेगा। वंस अगेन सैल्यूट फॉर नेवी। थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.